It's me, Darla, and welcome back to my channel. And this is the part 2 for my Tagaytay adventure. And yun, we're gonna have our breakfast. So, medyo gutom na ako ngayon. So, we're gonna have our breakfast and join me on our breakfast for today here in Tagaytay. So, let's go. Dito sa menu nila, may tsokolate A at saka may tsokolate E. Tatanong natin mamaya kung anong pinagkaiba ng A at saka ng E. Itong place na to is mixed up with pamana. So, ang gagawin namin, order kami sa chocolateria and then pwede din kayo umorder dito for pamana. Ang pinagkaiba pala ng tsokolate A at E, ang A, matamis. Ang E, mapait. Kaya ako, mahilig ako sa dark chocolate. So, doon ako sa E. Masarap. Punta kayo dito. Sobrang basag. Sobrang basag na ako. Basag!
Ito tayo bibili lula inda ng at saka ng pinya.
Ina po, kami namimili din sa tindahan ito. Mabait itong binibilang ito.
So, hi guys! We're now here at Fantasyland. So, that's it for today's video, Darloves. I hope you enjoyed watching and gusto ko lang magdagdag ng thoughts. Kasi hindi ako nakapagbigay ng thoughts and hindi rin ako nakapag-outro after ng vlog na yun kasi sobrang pagod na ako pag-uwi ko. And yun, nakipagchikahan pa ako si Kay Russell about that whole trip. Kaya, I'm sorry. Kasalanan talaga ito ni Russell. Shout out kay Russell. Thank you for helping me out on our Tagaytay vlog. So, thank you so much, Russell. Sa lahat yung nag-shot nun. Siya yung cameraman ko for the day. Yeah, thank you again so much, Russell. Hanggang sa susunod. Hanggang sa muli. Ayun, hanggang sa muli, Russell. You're gonna have more vlogs and you're gonna help me out. So, yes. About the chocolateria, I just want to give some thought to the restaurant that we had brunch in. Tama ba? Basta doon kami nag-brunch sa chocolateria. Kasi late na yung breakfast namin, kaya brunch na yun. And doon sa chocolateria, grabe. Grabe. As in, sobrang sarap ng pagkain nila. Sobrang ganda ng place kasi meron silang outside na dining area. Which is, kita mo yung view ng Taal Volcano and the Taal Lake. amazing. Hindi na kami kumain dun sa outside kasi medyo mainit na kasi nga medyo tanghaling tapat na yon, kaya sinag na yung araw, kaya hindi na kami dun sa labas. Dun na lang kami sa loob. And guys, you can also order from Pamana. So, dalawa yung menu nila dun, from Chocolateria and from Pamana. So, umorder rin kami sa Pamana ng ibang food kasi nga brunch. So, medyo heavy na yung kinain namin dun and malayo-layo pa rin yung biyahe, kaya nakabusog na talaga. Ako talaga sobrang busog ako dun eh. Grabe. So yun, nagpakabusog na kami kasi malayo pa yung biyahe namin. And wala kaming na-take out. Ubus lahat. Naubos namin lahat kasi sobrang sarap nga ng food and sobrang takaw din namin. Dahil sobrang sarap nga ng food and it's a must try. So talagang nire-recommend ko na i-try nyo ang Chocolateria if ever you're in Tagaytay. If ever may plans kayo pumunta sa Tagaytay, daanan nyo yung Chocolateria. Kumain kayo doon. Sobrang sarap. You should see for yourself or you should taste for yourself para makarelate kayo sa sinasabi ko na sobrang sarap talaga. And ang pinaka-favorite ko in order namin is the chocolate waffles and the hot chocolate, which is the Chocolate-E. Sinabi ko sa vlog ko yung Chocolate-A and Chocolate-E. Pinili ko yung E kasi nililig ako sa dark chocolate. So, yun, I choose Chocolate-E and I enjoyed it a lot. I enjoyed all the foods actually. Kaya, I really recommend it to you guys. 10 out of 10. Chocolateria, you did a great job. So, yun lang naman. And I really enjoyed Tagaytay. Pero, if ever you're planning some trips like that, like what I did, please make sure to be safe. Observe social distancing and bring your face shields and face mask with you. So, you have to travel safe pa rin. So, we have to be aware of our surroundings and travel safe. Yun lang. Para makaiwas sa kumakalat na virus, which is COVID-19. So, yun lang. Just travel safe, Darlove. Stay safe and yeah. So, that's it for today's video, Darloves. I hope you enjoyed watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell to keep you updated to my vlogs or my uploads. So, thank you, Darloves, for watching and I hope to see you on my next video.